What's going down, everybody? It's your boy, that guy, my high, tuning back in for another one of them road rage joints, USA and Canada. You guys already know what the deal is, and I just like the thumbnail of this one, so I was like, we about to do this one. All right, let's go ahead and jump into it. You already know what to do. Spark up, dab up, vape up, dip up, moonshine it up, sweet tea it up. Do what you gotta do. Just go up. Maybe take a shot or two or three, because the couple is for me. If you can't do none of that, open up your mind, because ultimately that's the only way to go up anyway. You know what I'm saying? Pimping. Hey, we got it out super clean today, baby. That was super clean, baby. Super sexy. Anyway, let's go. Let's see.
Back,
the last time we did this, man, it gave me like low key not anxiety, but I was mad for some of them drivers, man. I was upset. First with a motorcycle, definitely got to have the camera when you're driving a motorcycle.
It was at this moment that he knew. He ducked.
That's what he gets. See, that was karma right there, for real. You made a decision and you had to pay the price for that decision instantly. Why are you not getting over?
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Whoa.
What the? What the? Are you kidding me? Oh my God.
Bruh. Where red lights are just suggestions. Facts. I've been to Georgia and y'all do not know how to drive. I'm sorry. Some of y'all Georgians, y'all like LA drivers. Damn. He just following him down the road. He drove that bitch till the wheels fell off. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, he's lit.
You dropped your glasses, your sunglasses under your shoe.
Yeah, here he is. This guy almost killed you, didn't he?
He almost killed a few people. He hit a bunch of things on the way here.
Bruh.
Yeah, you're driving in oncoming traffic.
That dude was litty. He is litty. Not even was. Is litty. Bro, we don't care about your problems, bro.
It's not gonna make your life better.
You got a whole lot more problems that you just caused. So, the problems that put you into this situation or why you're rationalizing why you're here matters nothing. Because at this point, you just added and piled on a whole lot more to this bad situation you're in.
Never left at this lane. Soul food. I'm it. Cheap gas. What are you doing in this lane?
What?
That's not a lane.
I'm pretty sure that's the.
Oh my goodness! What the f is this lane then?
Not a turn lane.
Oh my god!
Okay,
You're driving into a damn turn lane right now.
okay, I
Yo,
got you.
what the f are you doing?
What the? You're making me crazy!
You need to just chill the f out when you're driving.
That dude don't know how to drive. They need to revoke his CDL. Yeah. Bruh. Now that would be a sight to see. Oh, I thought. Ooh! Bro, I thought that the Prius was just pushing the truck because the truck was broke down. Yeah, that was all bad. There was nothing done right about that. And this dude doesn't know how to drive. Oh, something happened. Something's wrong with that driver. Something's wrong with that driver. Damn. This Verizon truck is about to hit some shit. Why is he cutting this dude off?
You can see you loser, the f out of your mother. What you gonna do? You, what you gonna do? You. What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Oh, he's about to go and try to.
What you gonna do?
Oh, now you're being the aggressor.
What you gonna do? You're what you gonna do? You.
Oh, he's about to get rear-ended. I was waiting for that Verizon truck to just get pissed. Oh!
Watch out. Watch out.
Oh my god.
Just pull over. Watch out.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Oh my god.
All right,
Do you
I'm
want
gonna call
me to-
911. I got it.
Yep.
All right, yeah,
Holy
hazards on.
shit,
Pull off more off the road. Pull more off the road,
Yep.
please. Because these people could get hit.
Yep.
Yeah.
Holy shit. That would be fucking wild, bro. Ooh, too close. He's following too close there, player.
God.
Oh, and she took off.
NYLW32.
Go, you better go get that motherfucking shit. Wow. The obliviousness of that situation right there, bro. Holy shit.
Plate Texas RDG 2704. What is this guy doing?
He trying to get away. Wow. Damn. People are crazy, bro. Oh, too close, playa. Oh, because there's a damn truck that got.
What's wrong?
Whoa! Oh shit. Hey, that looks like my Camaro. Damn, but that ain't my Camaro.
No fucking way.
Damn. Oh shit, there's a whole ass fucking plane that crashed by the road. What are the odds of seeing some shit like that? Man. Ooh. Bro. Flipped. That shit was wild. That shit, hopefully everybody was okay. I'm pretty sure it said everybody was okay. I didn't. I was sitting there watching the car continuing to slide. Just looking at the whole imagery of that whole thing. That was nuts. Man, slow down, people. Pay attention to what you're doing. There's nothing that you could be in that much of a rush for to, I know we all like to speed. I know we like to drive a little fast sometimes, but just do it safely, okay? Do it safely. Look in your blind spots. Check your shoulders. You know what I'm saying? Don't just be speeding out here for no reason. Anyways, man, I love y'all. I'll catch you on the next one. Y'all let me know what you thought about that in the comments below. And subscribe and all that good nonsense. Bell notification. I appreciate it. Helps the channel out a lot. Okay.